Hello everyone, here we'll solve the few questions from Zoology section of GATE Life Science 2025 question paper. Now let's solve the questions. Now this is the question number 89 from the GATE Excel paper, which states the desmosomes are, if we see the desmosomes, particularly desmosomes are desmosomes are number one, it is to act as a cell to cell junctions. So first of all, it is a cell to cell junctions that provide mechanical support or adhesion between adjacent cells. And number two, it is they anchor intermediate filament like keratin via proteins like desmocolin or desmoplankin. So two basic characteristics features desmosome. So first of all, it is act as a cell-to-cell junctions, and second, they anchor the intermediate filaments. So if let's see the options one by one. Intermediate filament based on adhesion complex, definitely, it is the absolutely correct regarding desmosomes. They act as a cell-to-cell junctions and adhesion and definitely, it is Addison complex. So this option is found to be correct. Now let's see why the other options are wrong. Let's analyze. Protein synthesizing macromolecular complex. So desmosomes itself it's not a macromolecular synthesizing it is ribosome, not desmosome. Subcellular. So this is wrong. If we see third option, subcellular organelles, this is also not correct regarding desmosomes. Under subcellular organelles, it comes like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, etc., but not desmosome. So this is wrong. If we see the fourth option, TNF complex is actually common, not desmosome. So this is also wrong. So correct answer for the question number 89, it is option A. Now coming to the next question, it is the question number 90. The foramen of Panizza is found which one of the following group of animals? This is a direct information-based questions. If we see foramen, it is a foramen of Panizza. It is a special opening connecting the left and right aortic arches. So it is a special opening connecting the left and right aortic arches, and it is the specific characteristics of crocodiles. So definitely the foramen of Panizza is found which of the crocodiles is the correct options. And if we see the others options, fishes, they possess the single circulation and no such foramen. A crocodile definitely is the characteristics they possess the foramen of Panizza. Let's form it is they possess the three chambered heart and no foramen. If we see the also see the dolphin, they are mammals with fully separated circulation. So foramen of Panizza, it is a defining characteristics of crocodile. So correct answer for this question it is option B. Now let's see the next question, that is question number 91. It states, imagine a populations of dolphin species in hardy-windbag equilibrium. The population has two alleles for a gene which is A and capital A. The number of individuals with AA genotype in this population is 1 by 10,000. The frequency of the allele capital A in the population is. So it is the questions from Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. So according to the Hardy equilibrium, if we see it is P plus Q is equal to 1. Here it states small a is equal to Q and capital A is equal to P. So if we see the frequency of S, if we see the questions, A square, it is actually shows the frequency of small a. It is actually given here, it is 1 by 10,000. So frequency of A allele, it will be, so if we see it calculates 0.001, so it will be root over 0.001, so it will be 0.01. Now if we see the frequency of allele, we have to find the frequency of allele capital A. So it will be simply, as we know, small a uh, plus capital A is equal to 1. So capital A is equal to 1 minus 0.01. So it will be 0.99. So correct answer for this question it is 0.99. So thanks for watching.